10 incredibly heart-healthy foods. Nearly one-third of all deaths worldwide are caused by heart disease. Diet has a big effect on heart health and can control the risk of heart disease. In reality, some foods can help control blood pressure, triglycerides, cholesterol levels, and inflammation, all of which are heart disease risk factors. Here are 10 foods that will help you improve your heart health. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale and collard greens are well known for their wealth of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. In particular, they're a great source of vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and promote proper blood clotting. They're also high in dietary nitrates, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure, decrease arterial stiffness and improve the function of cells lining the blood vessels. Some studies have also found a link between increasing your intake of leafy green vegetables and a lower risk of heart disease. One analysis of 8 studies found that increasing leafy green vegetable intake was associated with up to a 16% lower incidence of heart disease. Another study in 29,689 women showed that a high intake of leafy green vegetables was linked to a significantly lower risk of coronary heart disease. Vitamin K and nitrates are abundant in leafy green vegetables, which can help lower blood pressure and increase arterial function. A higher consumption of leafy greens has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease in studies. 2. Entire grains. Entire grains incorporate every one of the 3 supplement-rich pieces of the grain: germ, endosperm and wheat. Regular kinds of entire grains incorporate entire wheat, earthy-colored rice, oats, rye, grain, buckwheat and quinoa. Contrasted with refined grains, entire grains are higher in fiber, which may help diminish terrible LDL cholesterol and lessening the danger of coronary illness. Different examinations have discovered that remembering all the more entire grains for your eating regimen can profit your heart well-being. One investigation of 45 examinations presumed that eating 3 additional servings of entire grains day by day was related with a 22% lower hazard of coronary illness. Likewise, another investigation found that eating in any event 3 servings of entire grains fundamentally diminished systolic pulse by 6 mm of mercury, which is sufficient to lessen the danger of stroke by about 25%. When buying entire grains, make a point to peruse the fixing's name cautiously. Expressions like entire grain or entire wheat show an entire grain item, while words like wheat flour or multigrain may not. Whole grains are linked to lower cholesterol and systolic blood pressure, as well as a lower risk of heart disease, according to research. 3. Avocados. Avocados are a brilliant wellspring of heart-sound monounsaturated fats, which have been connected to diminished degrees of cholesterol and a lower hazard of coronary illness. One examination took a gander at the impacts of 3 cholesterol bringing down counts calories in 45 overweight and fat individuals, with one of the experimental groups burning through 1 avocado each day. The avocado gathering experienced decreases in terrible LDL cholesterol, including lower levels of little, thick LDL cholesterol, which are accepted to essentially raise the danger of coronary illness. Another investigation including 17,567 individuals showed that the individuals who ate avocados routinely were half as prone to have metabolic disorder. Avocados are additionally wealthy in potassium, a supplement that is crucial for heart well-being. Indeed, only 1 avocado supplies 975 milligrams of potassium, or about 28% of the sum that you need in a day. Getting in any event 4.7 grams of potassium each day can diminish circulatory strain by a normal of 8.0, 4.1 millimeters of mercury, which is related with a 15% lower hazard of stroke. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats and potassium. They may help lower your cholesterol, blood pressure and risk of metabolic syndrome. 4. Greasy fish and fish oil. Greasy fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines and fish are stacked with omega-3 unsaturated fats, which have been read widely for their heart medical advantages. In one examination in 324 individuals, eating salmon 3 times each week for about 2 months fundamentally diminished diastolic circulatory strain. Another examination showed that eating fish over the long haul was connected to bring down degrees of complete cholesterol, blood fatty oils, fasting glucose and systolic circulatory strain. Moreover, each 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, decline in week-after-week fish utilization was related with a 19% higher probability of having one extra danger factor for coronary illness, for example, hypertension, diabetes or heftiness. In the event that you don't eat a lot of fish, fish oil is another alternative for getting your day-by-day portion of omega-3 unsaturated fats. Fish oil supplements have been appeared to lessen blood fatty oils, improve blood vessel capacity and decline pulse. Other omega-3 enhancements like krill oil or algal oil are well-known other options. Fatty fish and fish oil are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. 5. Pecans. Pecans are an incredible wellspring of fiber and micronutrients like magnesium, copper and manganese. Examination shows that joining a couple of servings of pecans in your eating routine can help ensure against coronary illness. As per one survey, eating pecans can lessen terrible LDL cholesterol by up to 16%, lower diastolic circulatory strain by 2 to 3 mm Hg and decline oxidative pressure and aggravation. Another investigation in 365 members showed that diets enhanced with pecans prompted more prominent reductions in LDL and absolute cholesterol. Strangely, a few investigations have additionally discovered that routinely eating nuts, for example, pecans is related with a lower hazard of coronary illness. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are stacked with lycopene, a characteristic plant shade with amazing cancer prevention agent properties. Cell reinforcements help kill destructive free revolutionaries, forestalling oxidative harm and irritation, the two of which can add to coronary illness. Low blood levels of lycopene are connected to an expanded danger of cardiovascular failure and stroke. One audit of 25 investigations showed that a high admission of food sources wealthy in lycopene was related with a diminished danger of coronary illness and stroke. Another examination in 50 overweight ladies found that eating 2 crude tomatoes 4 times each week expanded degrees of good HDL cholesterol. More significant levels of HDL cholesterol can help eliminate abundance cholesterol and plaque from the corridors to keep your heart sound and secure against coronary illness and stroke. 7. Almonds. Almonds are amazingly supplement thick, bragging an extensive rundown nutrients and minerals that are vital to heart well-being. They're likewise a decent wellspring of heart-solid monounsaturated fats and fiber, two significant supplements that can help ensure against coronary illness. Exploration recommends that eating almonds can powerfully affect your cholesterol levels, as well. One investigation in 48 individuals with elevated cholesterol showed that eating 1.5 ounces, 43 grams, of almonds every day for about a month and a half decreased tummy fat and levels of terrible LDL cholesterol, two danger factors for coronary illness. Another little examination had comparative discoveries, detailing that eating almonds for about a month brought about huge abatements in both LDL and complete cholesterol. Exploration likewise shows that eating almonds is related with more elevated levels of HDL cholesterol, which can help diminish plaque development and keep your courses clear. Recollect that while almonds are exceptionally high in supplements, they're likewise high in calories. Measure your parts and moderate your admission in case you're attempting to shed pounds. 8. Seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds and hemp seeds are on the whole extraordinary wellsprings of heart-solid supplements, including fiber and omega-3 unsaturated fats. Various examinations have discovered that adding these kinds of seeds to your eating routine can improve numerous coronary illness hazard factors, including aggravation, circulatory strain, cholesterol and fatty oils. For instance, hemp seeds are high in arginine, an amino corrosive that has been related with decreased blood levels of certain incendiary markers. Besides, flaxseed may help monitor circulatory strain and cholesterol levels. One investigation in individuals with hypertension showed that eating 30 grams of flax seeds each day for a large portion of a year diminished systolic circulatory strain by a normal of 10 mm of mercury and decreased diastolic pulse by 7 mm of mercury. In one investigation of 17 individuals, eating bread made with flaxseed was appeared to lessen absolute cholesterol by 7% and terrible LDL cholesterol by 9%. Albeit more exploration is required about the impacts of chia seeds on heart well-being in people. One examination in rodents found that eating chia seeds brought down blood fatty oil levels and helped levels of valuable HDL cholesterol. 9. Olive oil. A staple in the Mediterranean eating routine, the heart-solid advantages of olive oil are all around recorded. Olive oil is loaded with cell reinforcements, which can soothe irritation and decline the danger of constant illness. It's additionally wealthy in monounsaturated fats, and numerous investigations have related it with enhancements in heart well-being. Indeed, one examination in 7,216 grown-ups at high danger for coronary illness showed that the individuals who devoured the most olive oil had a 35% lower hazard of creating coronary illness. Besides, a higher admission of olive oil was related with a 48% lower hazard of kicking the bucket from coronary illness. Another huge investigation likewise showed that a higher admission of olive oil was related with lower systolic and diastolic circulatory strain. Exploit the numerous advantages of olive oil by showering it over cooked dishes or adding it to vinaigrettes and sauces. 10. Green tea. Green tea has been related with various medical advantages, from expanded fat consuming to improved insulin effectability. It's likewise overflowing with polyphenols and catechins, which can go about as cancer prevention agents to forestall cell harm, diminish aggravation and secure the well-being of your heart. As per one survey of 20 investigations, a higher admission of green tea catechins was related with altogether lower levels of LDL and all-out cholesterol. Furthermore, an examination including 1,367 individuals showed that green tea diminished both systolic and diastolic pulse. Another little examination tracked down that taking green tea separate for a quarter of a year decreased pulse, fatty oils, LDL and complete cholesterol, contrasted with a fake treatment. Taking a green tea supplement or drinking matcha, a refreshment that is like green tea yet made with the entire tea leaf, may likewise profit heart well-being. These heart-healthy foods will help keep your heart in good shape and reduce your risk of heart disease if you eat them as part of a nutritious, well-balanced diet. Think better of your heart. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.